Hi everyone, thanks for popping on today. So I have a small business announcement that I'm making right now. Now, as many of you know, that I have a lifelong love of travel, and I've turned that into my primary business. My store, Expedia Cruises, which is located in Scottsdale, Arizona. That's still my full-time focus. Travel is still a deeply held passion of mine, and I don't anticipate that changing. But as this is 2020, and we have spent the first half of the year not traveling, I've rediscovered my love of food and cooking and baking. And I spent a lot of time in this room, the kitchen of my house. Now, I've had Tupperware products in my kitchen for a while, and they're awesome. I love using them. But during this period, I have had my eyes open to even more amazing things about what Tupperware produces and offers to help you with managing your life and your food activities. So I've decided, as a side business, in addition to running and operating my travel agency, I'm going to become a Tupperware consultant and sell Tupperware through my Tupperware website on the side. Now, I'm going to be doing some product review videos, about one video a week, 2 to 3 minutes in length, quickly showing you the awesome products that Tupperware offers. I will be posting those on a business Facebook page that I have created, www.facebook.com/NoamTalksTupperware. And I would ask, if you want to support me, please like that Facebook page. And when you see posts, like them, share them, and if anything that I post interests you, or you want to know more information about it, send me a message or go onto my website and purchase it, and I will get credit for it. I'll also post the flyers that Tupperware comes out with once a quarter, so you can see what specials they're offering. And that's it. Go to the Facebook page, like the page, and you'll see my first product review is already posted, and you can watch that. And hopefully you like what you see. Thanks, everyone.